85,000 million US dollars.
Ah, what do you mean?
85,000 million US dollars.
This good. Okay.
How much your mentor?
How about them 25 cents? So, you know what? We're going to do a freestyle. We're just doing a freestyle.
So are you feeling it? Because this thing, are you feeling it? Because it's mental. Hey, you will kill me. You want me to get this?
Ah. You know what? This is heavy than this. Oh.
Yeah, but this one.
Ah! Fake rich nigga.
Who's a fake rich nigga?
What job? I told these people that this guy is fake.
Who is fake?
Look at this. Hey!
You don't know
What
this thing?
the fuck?
You don't know this thing?
How much? How much do you buy it?
95,000 million US dollars.
You take crazy. This thing, it not get it because but
I get a receipt too. I get a receipt.
Buy the aluminium. It not be gold.
It be gold. It be gold. It's expensive gold.
From where?
German.
Germany.
You can see my voice is looking like German voice.
Ah, you dey crazy, nigga. You know, say me. This one, if you want to be someone to know you are rich, you have to wear heavy chains. Hey! You know, heavy chains. This one is 5 CD.
Hey!
Oh, this one is 5 CDs.
Don't kill yourself.
Circle. This one is good. Rubber one. You know rubber gold. You don't know. But they talk say this.
But I never seen rubber gold before.
So rubber gold no day. Hey, then sorry. But you know say my father be 50 cents.
I can't believe. I can't believe.
You the brag, you the brag.
I can't believe that because the people say get plenty chairs. It's good. About where the mentality say your.
Me mentality.
How much is this?
5 cities.
You don't know 5 cities. It's small money.
Oh no, we depend on small money to survive.
Hey you.
But you me.
If I come down, I can bless you. If I come down, I can bless you.
You dey crazy, Make we do freestyle. Let's show the whole world that we are the best.
Okay.
Snoop Dogg then.
Hey, who's Snoop Dogg?
Manka Snoop Dogg. Snook.
Oh, okay.
Snook.
I think you call him Snoop Dogg.
NOASO.
VW8.
VW8.
8.
Okay, let's do freestyle.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Okay. You say you are the young rich nigga.
Yeah.
But I see you to be fake rich nigga.
No.
What is no?
Yeah, I am rich nigga. You are wearing mental things. You are coming to bless you. You know, I get a lot of money. I'm using a lot of chains. It is good. You can't try me. My bank account is full. Come on, take some fake money. You know, because you are using fake dollars.
No. I tell you, what bank account are you using? You just there here, you dey brag.
I get a lot of bank accounts, you know.
Listen. You know they like me do my rap.
Okay.
You too.
Okay, do your rap.
You do your rap, I talk.
Yeah, okay, do your rap.
Okay.
Hey, why?
Okay, this chain, I see it to be aluminium. Come on, brother, go and give it to Wunia. This one too. Wow, shit. Let go.
Let me teach you how to rap, you know, because I get money, I know how to rap stuff. So
let's go.
Let's go studio.
I'm sure say them they do settings. The lights come on.